I'm glad the mindset is changing. Like, especially if we as DJs value a certain standard, the best way to uphold that standard or even raise the bar is to make sure that we share the knowledge so other DJs can get better. If we try to keep all of that to ourselves, the level is going to go down and down and down, because if new generation DJs have to find out on their own, and if they ask for information and we're not sharing, that's going to lead to the downfall, because we're going to start seeing DJs that have just less knowledge and less skills. Their audience will start to get used to that, so the bar gets lower, which is bad for the art form. That's why I prefer to share knowledge and hopefully maintain a standard or even improve it. And there's a lot of people from the younger generations that love to hear. I mean, it shouldn't be like in a finger pointing way, like you kids have to learn. Not at all. But if you just make sure that the info is out there, I found that there's plenty of younger or beginner DJs that are happy to hear what you have to say and can learn from it. And again, I want to hear good DJs. I started to share because I want to hear good DJs. I prefer to hear more good DJs instead of seeing more bad DJs. I don't want it to get to a point where people start to not even recognize what's good anymore. If you're too skillful, that they even think that that's bad because they're used to a totally different standard now. I don't want to see that happening with DJing too much. And it already happened to a certain degree. Like, skills are undervalued. Understand that the music is the most important part. But even when it comes to the music selection, the level has gone down. And I can only speak for my own surroundings. I can't speak for the entire globe, but I see that here. Meaning that if I come out and I try to bring a more diverse set, or I try to add maybe something that's more exclusive or a little educational, adding an original sample in there, that gets appreciated less because they're used to DJs that bring a lower level, a lower standard when it comes to the quality. That's overall just not good for the art form. The streaming era that we're in right now, this last year, hopefully has actually led to people opening up more. And I saw the question in the beginning, like, hey, a lot of DJs are going back to like doing a lot of throwback type of music. Will the audience now start to ask for that more? Maybe. Because you see a lot of DJs now get into their element because they feel the freedom during live streams. They don't have to worry about the stress of playing for an audience. So you don't have a party where 5 DJs are playing the exact same set of track with just the current hits, all on the same BPM, just doing one long, boring mix. They're starting to feel like, okay, I can DJ again. And if people see and hear enough of that, that's a good thing for all of us.